Let's review the ITEL A80. One of the best budget phone to ngayon in the market dahil daw malinaw yung camera, mataas yung storage, and supported yung 18 watts charger. So today, i-check natin kung legit ba. Kaya tara, unbox muna natin. On the box, makikita natin dito yung model name ng phone, HDR camera, pioneering design, along with storage and memory details. Makikita din natin dito sa gilid na may 12 months warranty siya, plus may feature na SmartLink Plus, which is makakatulong kapag nasa lugar ka na mahina yung signal. Sa likod ng box, nandito yung mga specs and top specs. Inside the box, syempre yung phone, case, SIM ejector, Type-C cable, and 10 watts charger. Kanina, nasabi natin na 18 watts. Yes, what I mean is capable siya sa 18 watts. So if ever na may 18 watts power adapter ka, pwede mong magamit dito. 6.7 inch yung screen size and 720 by 1600 yung resolution, with punch hole design providing an immersive viewing experience. May dynamic bar na din, which is magpa-pop up during face unlock, charging, or when receiving calls. Up to 120Hz yung supported refresh rate, kaya naman smooth yung animations, scrolling, and transitions. Plus IPS LCD with 500 nits peak brightness, considered good na yon for smartphone. 128GB yung storage na pwede mong i-upgrade using microSD and 4GB naman sa RAM na pwede mo ding i-upgrade using MEMFusion. Sobrang laking tulong nun bukod na sa mataas na yung storage, pwede mo pang dagdagan. About sa chipset, Unisoc T603 which can handle common social media apps like Facebook, IG, YouTube, and TikTok. When it comes to gaming, kaya naman niyang i-handle yung mga light games, and kung itatanong mo kung kaya yung ML, kaya naman. As long as naka-low settings, but take note na hindi siya designed for gaming, so expect mo na hindi siya ganun ka-smooth. Isa sa standout features ng phone na to is main camera, which comes with 50MP Super HDR camera, allowing you to capture clear and detailed image kahit in low light conditions, and thanks to unique ring light na makakatulong kung sakaling kailanganin mo ng extra light. Also, may automatic scene classification along with 8 creative filters. So ito yung mga shots using ITEL A80. Sa video naman, 1080p yung max resolution. Not bad na din para sa price niya. Meron tong 3 available colors which are Sandstone Black, Glacier White, and Wave Blue. Glass feel high value yung mapipil mo sa back niya, at ang maganda dito, hindi visible yung fingerprints, so mukha talaga siyang malinis every time. And kung titignan nyo yung camera, very aesthetic design. With IP54 rating, so walang problema sa dust and water splashes. On the right side, nandito yung volume controls, power button, and fingerprint scanner. While in the left side, micro SD and dual SIM slot. Sa top, clear lang siya. Sa baba, dito mo makikita na available yung 3.5mm jack, USB Type-C port, mic, and speaker. Android version 14 yung OS along with ITEL OS 14. So latest to, kaya naman pwede mong i-customize yung appearance, pwede mong i-adjust yung icon size, page turn effect, desktop grid, icon columns, text color, and scrolling direction. Pwede ka din pumili ng themes mo online or mag-DIY. Available din yung wallpaper online na high definition yung quality. With the latest Android and ITEL OS, expect mo na better yung performance and privacy. 5,000mAh yung battery, enough na for daily use, especially kung gagamitin mo lang for social media. 10 watts lang yung charger niya, pero capable siya sa 18 watts charger, so kung meron kang 18 watts, pwede mo yung gamitin para mas mabilis yung pag-charge niya. All in all, sa design and capabilities ng phone na to, good choice na. So kung interested ka, click the link below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.